Hello, we are here to present our paper about the document management application that we developed. Nowadays, the continuous growth of the need to have cloud storage services has led to the appearance of a variety of cloud services and solutions. The users need to easily store their files, centralizing them in a single place, being available all the time. That's where the cloud storage enters to fulfill the needs of the users. However, there is a challenge to these services, the offline synchronization. This article reviews the cloud storage and describes a cloud storage solution that tries to resolve the problem of offline synchronization. This solution uses Firebase to store the data and uses the device cache to work in offline mode. We will discuss the architecture of the application, the technologies used in the development, and we will present our application and explain the features. We started to define how the application should work in online and offline mode to get a better idea how it would be the structure of the application backend. In online mode, the application is fully functional, and on offline, the application should maintain some basic features supported by the implemented synchronization. Our application is a progressive web app, PWA, and when the application has internet connection, it communicates with the database to exchange information and files, allowing the user to upload, download, and share files. However, when there is no internet connection, it cannot communicate with the database. Therefore, the application accesses its cache to show the data available. When the application receives data from the database, it stores some of it in the cache, allowing the application to run in offline mode with some functionalities. This is basically how the synchronization was implemented.
As mentioned earlier, the application is a PWA, developed in React, which allowed us to build a hybrid application for Android and iOS and was easily implemented using CSS for the interface. For the backend, we used Firebase, which allows the development of applications with fully managed authentication and storage. With Firebase, it was possible to easily monitor the application performance, implement offline synchronization, and use some Firebase functions that allow analyzing the user interaction with the application. Inside Firebase, it was used Firestore to save the files uploaded by the users. Beyond that, we used Firebase functionalities to show some statistics of the files uploaded by each user. The Firebase services are also responsible for the security and encryption of the application data. The main features of our application are the synchronization between the client and the storage server, working with some basic features in offline mode, a screen with the statistics of the storage usage of the users, and of course, file management. Here we have the main screens of our application. On the left side, we have the first main screen with the files and folders of the user that can be managed, shared, and downloaded, allowing the user to view them. In the middle, we have the menu, where we can choose if we want to upload a file to a folder that already exists or to create a new one. In the right side, there is a button that allows the user to upload files and create folders where the files will be stored, and there is also a button that switches to the other screen of statistics. On the right, we have this screen where the users can see some details and statistics about their files. The application allows the user to manage these files and folders as the user wants and allows the user to share the files with other people through a link that downloads the files shared. Although we presented a working solution, we think it could be a great improvement to be able to set reminders, be able to categorize the files with tags, and be able to upload images directly from the camera. If these features could be implemented, we think that the application could be commercialized. Thank you very much.